Is going on, ladies and gentlemen? T to the M to the IDD. I am here, and with me, I have a special camera that I am definitely eager to see the files that come out of this inside of a studio setting, and that is the Canon R6 with the nifty 50. And ironically, I have this triggered with a Nikon trigger, and it's actually working. So I'm happy about that because I could use some off-camera flash inside the studio. And here to help me with this Moody type setup is
Niall.
Now,
to
yeah.
the LE.
Oh, N to the I to the LE. Do y'all hear that? She done took my name. She done made it her own. All right, where can we find you at?
Niall Simone on Instagram.
Okay, and I will put that in the bottom left-hand corner. Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
You sure?
I'm sure.
Okay.
100%.
Let's do it. Oh, that's beautiful. 1, 2. Oh, I like that. 1, 2. Put your chin up for me again like that. Perfect. 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 Actually, what we could do, can you sit like on the edge right there? And you can actually come up off of it. Yeah, that's fine. And just go like that. And I want you to try to like lean, put one hand back and like lean back. That way I was just trying to see if we can kind of like tuck that piece in just a little bit. Yeah, yep, just like that. 1, 2, 1, 2, perfect. 1, 2, 1, 2, love it. And put your chin up for me, love it. And give me that same one, but I want you to look off to up there. Yeah, perfect. 1, 2.
Those are so cute.
1, 2. Oh, that's beautiful. Take like, come like right there. Perfect. Yeah, that's the money shot right there. I love that right there. Yep. 1, 2. Perfect. Perfect. I like that. 1, 2. I'm probably gonna have you, yeah, come back like right here. Yeah. Perfect. 1, 2. And just cross your legs for me. Yep, right there. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. Like with your hands.
Wait, what?
Like kind of like on your face. Yeah, perfect. Perfect. All right, just turn a little bit more. Nah, that way, yeah. Yeah, put like one hand on the hip with it. Oh no, I like that. Yeah, hold that right there. 1, 2. 1, 2. And 1, 2. And 1, 2. All right. 1, 2. 1, 2. Oh, I like that. 1, 2. Hold that right there. And can you bring it in just a little bit, just like that? Yeah, just a little bit of bend in it. Yeah, just a little bit of bend. That's all. Perfect. Perfect. Put that chin up. So I was able to use the Canon R6 for this particular photo shoot, in my home studio, and I wanted to test it out and see what this camera could do inside a studio setting. One thing remains the same, as I have used other Canon camera bodies like the Canon R5, Canon 5D Mark IV, and it mainly resides in the post-processing arena. And that is that most of the time it takes a little bit more work to get those colors exactly how I want them. Whereas with my Nikon, it doesn't take as much. So let me know your experience with Canon in general, and if you do have some things to compare it to, like you've used Nikon, you've used Fuji, you have used Sony, let me know what your thoughts are when it comes to Canon. So this has been my experience. I absolutely enjoyed using this camera for the time that I did have it. Nifty 50 is always good. I hope that you enjoy this quick to the point video, and leave some comments below and let me know your thoughts. T to the M to the IDD. Peace.